In today's digital age, e-learning businesses need cutting-edge marketing strategies to stand out. Let's explore the top strategies for 2024, starting with a powerful communication tool. First up, WhatsApp marketing. With a staggering 98% open rate, it's a game changer for e-learning. Use it for instant communication, rich media sharing, and creating vibrant learning communities. To take it further, the WhatsApp Business API offers advanced features like broadcasts for course announcements, automated reminders, and click-to-WhatsApp ads for instant engagement. Another effective strategy is optimizing free webinars as lead magnets. Create compelling sessions that address audience pain points, guiding potential students towards your paid offerings. Speaking of building trust, influencer marketing can be a game changer. Partner with influencers who align with your e-learning niche, focusing on those with engaged audiences, passionate about your subject matter. However, don't forget the power of your own voice. That's where founder-led content comes in. Share your journey, offer behind-the-scenes glimpses, and provide expert tips. This builds credibility and fosters a personal connection with your audience. Of course, your marketing shouldn't stop there. Implement a multi-channel approach using social media, email, SEO, and paid advertising to create a strong online presence and attract more learners. Once you've got their attention, it's time to motivate action. Create urgency with time-sensitive offers and promotions. Use countdown timers and WhatsApp broadcasts to boost enrollments. But remember, social proof is crucial in e-learning. That's why showcasing student success stories is vital. Share real reviews and testimonials, using visuals and videos for maximum impact. Now, for those who showed interest but didn't commit, set up multi-channel retargeting campaigns for abandoned course signups. Tailor your messaging based on user behavior and leverage WhatsApp for high engagement. Finally, to expand your reach, consider creating an affiliate program. Choose affiliates who love your courses and provide them with the tools they need to succeed. This helps you tap into new audiences effectively. To bring all these strategies together seamlessly, consider using Wati's WhatsApp Business API solution. From automated sequences to broadcast analytics, Wati has the tools you need to grow your e-learning business and stay ahead in 2024. Scan this QR code and get started with Wati today.